well known that yes, without this technology you cannot develop your product. So what happened that in this particular scenario, Ericsson, considering that FRAND commitment and then that European Telecommunication Standard Institute fairly offered a license for its entire portfolio of patents to the Intex. Okay. So European Sweden company, so European Telecommunication Standard Institute, that the SSO, that is a that was the SSO which was also there, and based on that we have already know that SSO, the guidelines are there, FRAND and RAND terms. So based on that, obviously Ericsson offered that yes, we are ready to give you the technology and on FRAND terms, and you please be agree to give this much, whatever is X amount, to $1, $2 per technology, per device, whatever it may be, you should give us